Hi, my name's Elizabeth Eyerer, and I am the founder and president of Boston Brain Integration. Brain integration technique is a hands-on technique that reconnects neural pathways in the brain and is amazingly effective for children and adults who have ADD, ADHD, and dyslexia, among other learning and memory problems. I am excited to say that today we have Susan McCrossing here with us. She's the founder of the work and my teacher.
I developed brain integration technique with a partner in Australia out of necessity, really, because we were seeing children with learning difficulties as therapists, and we were already doing kinesiology, and we really formed the treatment as a compilation of things that were already being used, but not necessarily for learning difficulties. And I think one of the key parts of the development was that we had a child psychologist sending us children that she had already assessed with the WISC, or the Wechsler Intelligence Scale for Children test. And so that it was very clear to her and through the test where the deficits were. We were working on these children and getting remarkable change. The reason that the WISC has been used for so long in the West is because it has a very high test-retest reliability. So that if you test in the 55th percentile when you're 15, you'll test in the 55th percentile when you're 50. What we were finding was that we were quadrupling and 5-timesing their scores, and not because we were making them smarter, but because we were able to organize their brain in a way that they could properly respond to being what they were asked to do. So one of the problems that they'd had was they couldn't understand the instructions. They couldn't process quickly enough to do the task they were being asked to do because they were so slow in their processing and all the tests are timed. Or they weren't able to really perceive exactly whether it was blocks or what medium they were working with. Accurately, visually, they weren't able to see exactly how it looked, how it should look, how to make it look like an image. And by we have a friend joining us. And so by doing the work that we developed on these children, their scores were changing dramatically. So that's essentially it.